Guess who has been making headlines lately? No points for guessing, it is Elon Musk, and this time for rather infamous reasons. First, it was the slew of autopilot crashes by Tesla cars, and then the company's latest tussle with cryptocurrency. But every time Tesla makes it to the news, we Indians only think of one thing: when will Tesla make its grand entrance in India? However, instead of talking about the company's India entry, which of course will happen in the due course, today we are here to refresh our memories on what makes Tesla so special brand. And no, Elon Musk is not the only reason. You see, Tesla has clearly done an Usain Bolt in the race to build the greenest and most fun vehicles, all thanks to the persistent vision of the founder Elon Musk. But to keep the brand rolling, they are offering new and exciting products. Let's discuss the reasons for Tesla's success. Now, the most important and long lasting impact a brand can make in the market is through its product offering, because the revenue is generated from one and only one thing, and that is the actual product. In the case of Tesla, they are offering a full 100% electric portfolio, unlike any other brand globally, and that too with a diversified product mix. On one hand, you have the range topping products like the Tesla Model S and the Model X, and on the other hand, you have products which are more affordable in nature like the Model 3 and the Model Y. Now, we will argue about their affordability some other day. Tesla is also working to offer some other exciting and path-breaking products like the Roadster and Cybertruck, which surprisingly has received more than million bookings even before the actual product has hit the road. Now, for an electric vehicle to succeed, they have to surpass a hurdle stopping electric vehicles to conquer the world, and it is called range anxiety. To put it simply, unlike petrol and diesel powered cars, which can reach any fuel pump in case of low fuels, electric vehicles are still facing a battery charging issue, as the EV chargers are not that widespread and the charging is slow as compared to refilling tank. For this purpose, it is of utmost importance that automakers add as much juice in the battery as possible. Case in point, the Tesla Model X offers 630 km battery range, while the more affordable Model Y has 524 km range. Now, these are some of the best figures globally. Now, in our opening, we mentioned how Tesla cars are infamous for autopilot crashes across the US. Bluntly put, it's the driver who is at fault most of the time any such incident occur. An autopilot or autonomous technology is being designed to assist the human driver in case of emergency, and that Tesla cars have proven time and again. Tesla has achieved level 2 autonomy in all its vehicles and will soon replace radar-based system with camera technology. However, like every technology has its demerits, Autopilot is also turning out to be a fun game for many drivers, especially in the US. Despite warning from the maker and internal understanding of the autopilot, they leave it unattended for more than the desired duration, causing such accidents. Now, Tesla cars are not that affordable to own, and battery range only can't be a saving grace. What makes Tesla cars so cool is also the fact that they are being offered with some of the most technologically advanced features one can ever get in a car. Right from the massive touchscreen infotainment screen as large as 17-inch that also doubles up as a command center, to integrated wireless gaming when you are stuck in the LA traffic, Tesla cars offer everything one can think of. And as far as features like panoramic sunroof, wireless charging are concerned, let's not even go there. Now, there's a large segment of naysayers who brush aside electric cars, saying they are not fun to drive at all and they take away the mechanical fun of driving a vehicle. Honestly, they are not completely wrong. Electric cars are silent and they don't have gearboxes, but then they can't be called slow. In fact, makers like Tesla have proven time and again electric vehicles are much faster and quicker thanks to the instant torque. Model S can do 0 to 100 km per hour in under 2 seconds. That can put any supercar to shame and has a top speed of more than 300 km per hour. Not just that, Tesla is also working on a SpaceX package for the Roadster that can push the car from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 1.1 seconds. If that is not phenomenal, what else can be? So there you have our top 5 reasons why Tesla cars are so special, and no, Elon Musk is not the only reason.